So see that red dot right there?
Yeah.
That means you're recording. So now you can talk. So can you say your name? Oops. Okay.
Hi everybody, my name is Andrew and I'm kind of nervous. This is my first video.
Good job. Okay, what's this?
This is the Darth Vader's transformation set.
Okay.
And I don't have any mini figures on, but I put some mini figures in the box.
Wow. Okay, so they're in the box. Are you going to do an unboxing?
So we have Chewbacca.
You want me to zoom in a little?
So we have
Okay, so do it down here.
Chewbacca.
See, right here. You go. Turn it around like this, facing you.
So we have Chewbacca. And now we get to the building part. And we have General Hutz.
Wow.
Now it's time for the young one. I think that was his head.
That's okay.
No.
So you're building them? You got to tell them what you're doing.
I am building some Legos. This is Luke Skywalker.
Oh. Which one was lost that you found today?
Anakin Skywalker.
Anakin was lost, but you found him?
Yep. Bravo, you found him! Yay!
Okay, keep going.
And then we are going to be building one of my least favorites, which I do not like.
You don't like this one? Why?
What is this bad guy?
Oh, he's a bad guy. What is he?
This is a stormtrooper.
Oh, a stormtrooper. Can they see it?
I'm pretty sure about it, but you need to zoom in a little.
Okay, so I need to zoom in a little bit. Okay.
Okay, that's
Okay, then put him over here.
I'll move this out of the way.
Right there. Okay, so that's a bad guy?
This is a bad guy, and he is a stormtrooper.
Okay. Okay, so what are you going to build next?
I'm going to build one of the bad guys.
Okay, another bad guy.
And he has a double-sided red lightsaber.
A red lightsaber?
And he has horns on his head.
That's pretty cool.
This is Darth Maul.
Okay.
From the first movie of Star Wars.
Awesome. And then what's this guy?
The last one is a droid.
Oh. Okay.
C-3PO.
That is awesome. Okay, so that...
Now it's time for the set.
Okay. Do I need to go out a little bit more?
Maybe. Yeah, out a little bit more.
Like that?
They can see this part.
Okay, well pull it down here and then they can see.
Now this is the Darth Vader's transformation. And since I don't have Darth Vader in here, I'm going to do the minifigs for that set.
Okay.
So here we have the Emperor. He will go right here. This is Anakin. So we will put him right here. And the tours of all.
Oh, it turns.
Darth Vader.
Okay.
So you just pull this part. Stick his helmet right in there. And let's just stick him there.
Oh, and then it turns?
This turns like this. And then when we turn this, we will just lift his helmet like that. Oh, pull it. Oops. Now that was not a play feature.
That wasn't a play feature?
So, as you know, in the third Star Wars movie, when he says no, some stuff falls over. So we have this and this part.
Oh, that's cool. Any other features on there?
Well, mostly we have this part to like hold it like that. And my sister built this for me.
Oh, your sister built it for you? Which sister?
Taylor.
Kayla built it for you.
The oldest.
The oldest.
And then like I have put some more stuff so like we can fight.
Oh, that's what you can do?
Like this will be like another set for half or something like that.
Okay. Do you think you'll do another video for us?
Maybe.
Maybe. Okay, so say thanks for watching my video.
Thanks for watching my video.
I'll catch you next time.
I'll catch you next time.